Group lo now. I share the link. Okay. Listen. Everybody, please listen. By tomorrow, I'll share. So now we should understand about the how can we create the application instead of the project. So application, what should I add? A blog is there, right? In A blog, what are the features that we are providing? Application, maybe the admin application that we have, maybe the tutor application that we have, maybe the student application that we have. Okay, different type of application, but only one project. ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో మెనీ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. ఎలా ఉండొచ్చు చెప్పండి? ఎల్ఎంఎస్ మీరు ఓపెన్ చేశారు, అడ్మిన్ ఉంటారు, స్టూడెంట్ కూడా లాగిన్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఒక ట్యూటర్ కూడా లాగిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. All of you listen. So first of all, Control C. Try to use the Control C. The next one is Django. How to create the project? Django start app, tutor app. Okay, tutor app. See everybody, look at the screen. Tutor application should be inside of the A block. This is the project name. A block is the project name, right? It should be inside of this main folder. Are you getting my point? So we are done with the app creation. The next step. What is the next step? Which is the same like you are doing your thumbprint, right? Like this. Configure cheyali, right? How to configure the app into our project settings? Maybe last two pages are not done. This one settings low installed apps. This is the, so I think it is running, right? Settings. What is the app name? A blog, right? Maybe some voices. A blog. The name should be the same. A blog, not A blog app. A blog. A blog. What is my app name? Tutor, right? See, this is the AI blog. We have settings. In this settings, we should write the app name, not A blog. A blog is what? Project. App name is what? Tutor. Now we are done with the configuration of the app. Like when you are installing the app in your system, like Instagram or Facebook, you are allowing all the videos, audios on camera, right? It is asking, right, before installation of this one. Okay. The similar way. Next one, what is the next step is, after the configuration, you try to create a templates folder, because you need to render the index.html file. Understand? Front end. See everybody. This is the app. Here you need to create the templates. In this app only you need to create the templates. What is the app name? Tutor. Write down TEMPLATES. Next one, right click. Click on right click. Always you should right click. మీకు ఇలా చేస్తేనే వర్క్ అవుతుంది. లేదంటే you also can do this one. Maybe it may conflict sometime. That is why. So in this templates folder, create new file, that is index.html. Clear everybody? After creation of the settings, configure that one. The next one is index.html to render the page. So what is my application name? Tutor dashboard, right? Maybe you can write like this way. Welcome to the tutor dashboard. Welcome to See, I'll do one thing. I'll do tutor dashboard. You try to do student dashboard. Say, create the application, configure in the settings. The next one, try to install the. I mean, so try to install the that one app in your system. Create the app in your system, and do the same. Create the templates, create the index.html, like this way. Next one. Next, how to render this one? How to render this one? How to render before what should we need? MVT. Before you making any changes in the project, think about MVT architecture. V means what? View. Try to do the view. View, where is the view? In the project itself. Go here. In the project you can see, is there any views are there? No. Where is the views? Inside the tutor. Views.py. Churandi, listen. DEF home. What is the home? Tutor home, right? Tutor dashboard. Okay. Tutor dashboard. Spelling. Don't do any spelling mistakes. Next one. Render. So try to request. User is requesting to this function using of URLs. Okay. Request. Next one. Here also you are writing the request. Same you are calling in the return. See why we are writing the function. When you call this function on URLs, the URL should be rendered. Render means it is written and it is displaying inside of the browser. Okay, what is the template? Listen. Request index.html. So, have you ever think why you are creating the templates, sir? Templates is a inbuilt folder instead of the architecture of the Django. That is what I am saying now. Every time we should not install anything. We have to use directly from the this architecture of the Django. Templates అనేవి already ఉంటాయి. So కాబట్టి మనం ఏది కూడా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయలేదు. In HTML and CSS you are configure with the using of the link, right? Link rel అలా చేశారు కదా. But here it is not there. Why? Because it is inbuilt framework. Django is a framework. We are just using all the libraries directly, or else this architecture of the Django directly. అర్థమైందా? Any doubts here? Next one. How user is render on this particular function? How to access the function? So template ni ela render cheyali using of URLs. This is the last step. What is the last step? You or else. Go here. So you need to import this one from Django, not Django. What is the name of the application? Tutor dot views. Import tutors dashboard. See, listen everybody. Path. Write it down. Tutor comma what we are imported. Tutor dashboard, right? Comma name is equal to same. You should write this. Copy this one and try to paste this here. Name అనేది ఎందుకు ఉండాలంటే పాత్ అన్నమాట. ఎప్పుడైనా మనం లింక్ చేయాలనుకుంటాం డైరెక్ట్ పాత్ కి లింక్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ నేమ్. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు. యు ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఆల్ ద HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That everything is we are written in the templates. login page, sign up page, that all are there, right? So using of these functions, we are calling that that files. That is what we have done in this Django. Arthamai HTML, CSS, JavaScript is apart from the అది పక్కకు తీసేస్తే Django ఇలా రన్ చేయాలి each and every file. ఇది మనం స్టార్టింగ్ ఫస్ట్ లో చేసాం గుర్తుందా? index.html డిలీట్ చేసాం, స్ట్రక్చర్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసాం, హలో వర్డ్ రాసాం, h1 ని స్టార్ట్ చేసాం, పారాగ్రాఫ్ నేర్చుకున్నాం, ఇవన్నీ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. సో ఫైనల్ గా ఇది Django లో టెంప్లెట్స్ లో రెండర్ చేయడానికి మాత్రమే నేర్చుకున్నారు ఇదంతా కూడా. అర్థమైందా? Just do it right now. Once we have done this one, next one. What is the path name here? Tutor, right? Just remember this. HTML, CSS. ఇవన్నీ కూడా అందులో రాయాలి టెంప్లెట్స్. చూద్దాం. Once you have done this one, what is the next step? Python manage.py run server. So just click on this one. Now you will get what? Page not found. Why? Because what is the path name? What is the path name? What is the path name of our template? Tutor. Here also written. They are written, right? Tutor ani. So just copy change. Dini. Tutor. We know the spelling, right? Use /tutor. Enter. Vachina. Page not found is not an error. Page not found is a blank page, which is a blank path. There is nothing is there. So see, if I am not written anything, it is showing the page is not found, right? The same thing I am going to done one thing. So I just want to remove this one. Just try to understand. If I am removing this all, just now can just run this. See, without having any path also, the response is coming here. Why? Because you are not written any path instead of the URLs. URLs means router. I mean, we are providing the path. Understand? Main road, service road another. We have to declare the particular road. Here also same. We are declaring the particular path using of URL. URLs means uniform resource locator. అంటే మనమే path ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం, మనమే సర్వర్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం, మనమే HTML ని, CSS ని, JavaScript ని రెండర్ చేయాలి. That is what we are doing right now. ఇప్పటిదాకా జరిగింది వేరు, ఇప్పుడు జరిగేది వేరు. We have to run the full stack Django project in this way. Don't do any live server. Don't click on live server again and again. Live server is band. అయిపోయింది దాని పని. లైవ్ సర్వర్ పని అయిపోయింది. ఎప్పుడు లైవ్ సర్వర్ ని రన్ చేయకండి టెంప్లెట్స్ లో కూడా. You should do this way to run the project. What is the way? Manage Python manage.py run server. This is the way you need to run the project. Please keep remember. Understand? Okay. This is we are done. Can you do the CSS here? Can I add the CSS? Is it working or not? It will run. Normally will run out. If you take anything like separately, you have to add styles and copy. There is some separate process there. Till now, try to complete it. Please try to complete it till now.